Everyone talks about waking up at 5 a.m. Millionaires do it. Winners do it. So I decided to try it for 21 days straight. And no, it didn't turn me into a productivity god. But it did change something far more important. Day 1 felt cinematic, dark room, alarm buzzing, me getting up with purpose, cold shower, journaling, perfect vibe. But by day 3, I was a zombie, tired, irritable, doubting everything, no magic, just fatigue. And that's when I realized this isn't about the hour. It's about who you become in the hour. What if the win isn't waking up early, but what you do when you're alone with your thoughts? At 5 a.m., the world is silent. No noise. No notifications. Just you and your excuses. And that silence, it's brutal. There's nowhere to hide from your thoughts. Every doubt, every unfinished goal, every bad habit, staring back at you. That's what most people can't handle. Not the alarm, the honesty. So the real question is, what do you do with that silence? I stopped chasing perfection, stopped trying to be a monk, and instead, just sat with myself. No phone, no noise, just stillness. And from that silence came clarity. What matters? What doesn't? What I need to change and what I've been avoiding. The 5 a.m. rule didn't give me superpowers. It gave me a mirror, and that mirror showed me everything I didn't want to see. By day 15, it wasn't about the time anymore. I didn't need an alarm. My body just woke up, not out of discipline, out of alignment, because I finally felt like I was showing up for myself, not for Instagram, not for validation, but for the part of me that's tired of restarting, the part that just wants to finish something, to become someone. So what happened after 21 days? I didn't become perfect, but I stopped hiding. I started acting on things I used to only think about. I got quiet enough to hear what I've been running from, and loud enough to speak back. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You just need to wake up to you. Because the discipline isn't in the clock, it's in the choice. Comment, I'm done hiding from myself, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.